चैनल पे ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं केमिकल काइनेटिक्स, जो कि बहुत एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। द वर्ड काइनेटिक्स डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द ग्रीक लेटर वर्ड काइनेसिस मीन मूवमेंट। द फिजिबिलिटी ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन which can be predicted by thermodynamics. As you know that the reaction with delta G is less than 0 at constant temperature is feasible. Extent to which a reaction will proceed can be determined from chemical equilibrium, speed of reaction, time taken by reaction to reach equilibrium. Rate of chemical reaction. The rate of reaction can be defined as a change in concentration of reactant or product in unit time. The rate of decrease in concentration of any one of the reactant. The rate of second point is the rate of increase in concentration of any one of the product. Consider a hypothetical reaction assuming that the volume of system remains constant R to P. 1 mole of reactant produces 1 mole of product. R1 and P1 are the concentration of R and P at the same time T, and R2 and P2 are the concentration at time T2. Delta T equal to T2 minus T1, delta R equal to R2 minus R1, delta P equal to P2 minus R1. The square brackets in the expression are used to express molar concentration, rate of disappearance of R, to decreasing concentration of R upon delta time taken delta RY minus delta T. Rate of appearance of P equal to increasing concentration of P upon delta Y and delta R in negative quantity. As concentration of reactant is decreasing, it multiplied with N1 to make the rate of reaction a positive quantity. Average rate depends upon the change in the concentration of reactant and product and time taken for the change to occur. Unit of rate of reaction. A unit of concentration mole. For example, if concentration in mole liter and time is in second, then the unit will be mole liter second. It is expressed in the rate at which a particular moment of time will determine the instant. It is obtained when we consider average rate the smallest interval dt. Delta t is approached to zero mathematically and infinitely. Delta t instantaneous rate is given by the representation of rate of reaction in terms of concentration of the reactant is known as rate like this. It is also called a rate equation. Rate of reaction decreases with passage of time as the term concentration of reactant decreases. AABB plus degree. Rate where K is a Boltzmann constant called rate constant. The rate law is the expression in which reaction rate is given in terms of molar concentration of reactant with each term raised to some power which may or may not be same as a stoichiometric coefficient of the reacting species in a balanced chemical equation. Rate law for any reaction cannot be predicted by merely looking at the balanced chemical theoretically, but must be determined experimentally. Order of reaction, the sum of power of concentration of the reactant in rate law expression is called order of reaction. The reaction taking place in one step are called elementary reaction. When the sequence of elementary reaction called mechanism gives a product, the reaction is called complex reaction. Unit of rate constant is mole liter and time a second in the unit for different reaction are ऑर्डर आर लिस्टेड इन टेबल 0.3। देखिए दोस्तों, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जीरो ऑर्डर का भी पूछ लेता है क्या होता है यूनिट। मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकंड इनवर्स। फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का वो पूछ सकता है क्या होगा यूनिट। रेट कांस्टेंट का सेकंड इनवर्स होता है। सेकंड ऑर्डर का रिएक्शन का क्या होता है, मोल इनवर्स लीटर सेकंड इनवर्स। ये तीनों ये क्वांटिटी एग्जाम में पूछ सकता है। Molecularity of reaction, the number of reacting species atoms, ions or molecules taking part in elementary school which must collide simultaneously in order to bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of reaction. The overall rate of the reaction is controlled by slowest step in a reaction called the rate determining step. From the discussion the order of reaction is an experimental quantity can be zero present but molarity cannot be zero. Order is applicable to elementary as well as complex reaction where molarity is applicable only for elementary reaction. The rate equation zero order reaction. Zero order reaction means that the rate of reaction is proportional to zero power of the concentration of reactant. Ln Kt is first order reaction. Rate of reaction is proportional to first power of concentration of reactant. ये देखिए दोस्तों, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का डेरिवेशन यहाँ पर आया निकल कर। half life of a reaction. It is important. The half life of a reaction is the time in which the concentration of reactant is reduced to one half of its initial concentration. It is represented as T half. T half or 120. Temperature dependence on the rate of reaction. For a chemical reaction with rise in temperature by 10 degrees, the rate constant is nearly doubled. It is also called pre-exponential factor. It is constant specific to a particular reaction or if the gas constant is the activation energy measured in joules per. According to Arrhenius, the rate can take place only when a molecule of hydrogen and a molecule of iodine collide to form an unstable intermediate. It exists for a very short time and then breaks up to form two molecules of hydrogen. The energy required to form the intermediate called activated complex is known as activation energy. It is obtained by plotting potential energy versus reaction coordinate. The peak of curve corresponds to the most probable kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a maximum fraction of molecules. These are decreasing number of molecules with energy higher or lower than this value. When the temperature is reached, the maximum of the curve move in the higher energy value. In the temperature of substance increases the fraction of the molecules which collide with energy greater than even. It is clear that the diagram that in the curve at T plus 10 area showing the fraction of molecule having energy equal or greater than the activation energy get double leading to double the rate of reaction. Collision theory of chemical reaction. According to this theory, the reaction molecules are assumed to be hard sphere and the reaction is postulated to occur when molecules collide with each other. The number of collisions per second per volume of the reaction mixture is known as collision frequency. Another factor which affects the rate of chemical reaction is activation energy. By molecular elementary reaction, A plus B product rate of reaction can be expressed as R rate equal to ZAB e power E upon RT, where ZAB the collision frequency of reactant A and B and E power minus E upon RT represent the fraction of molecules with energy equal to or greater than E2. The collision in which molecules collide with sufficient kinetic energy called threshold equal and proper orientation so as to facilitate breaking of bonds between reacting species and formation of new bonds to form product are called as effective collision. तो दोस्तों बस इतना केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में इतना ही। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर है। ये भी इससे भी एग्जाम में हर कंपटीशन में पूछते हैं। एग्जाम क्वेश्चन इसमें हर कंपटीशन पूछता है। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा। शेयर करना मत भूलिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।